Hello and welcome back to Sarah's Sparkle Yarns. I'm Sarah and today I'm dyeing bulky roving yarn into a rainbow. The yarn I'm using is the Buttercream Luxe Craft Roving that I picked up from JoAnn Fabrics. I chose this because it is 100% wool and I have dyed a patent classic wool roving in the past, which is similar to the yarn base. As always, if you're using any sort of commercial powder dye like I am, use a dust mask at the very least, or a respirator if you have one. While my face isn't in frame, I am wearing one when handling these powders. Over the course of the video, I'll be adding dye, popping the yarn into the oven, and taking it back out to add more dye. I'm not a professional dyer, so I don't know the exact amounts of what I'm doing as other creators do. Stay until the end of the video to see the finished yarn. I've tried knitting it up a few times, but I frogged it, and it's not because I don't like the yarn, but that I can't figure out what the yarn wants to be made into. The finished yarn reminds me of a rainbow cast by a prism. If any of you have crystal or glass that makes a prism rainbow effect, you'll know what I mean. If you've discovered my channel recently, consider subscribing so that you can find it easier. I post fiber related content such as prepping fiber for spinning, spinning yarn, dyeing, and a few other fiber related crafts. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed, or comment down below if there's something you'd like to let me know about. I'm open to video ideas and I'll answer questions to the best that I can. For a little bit of self-promotion, I've opened up a Redbubble shop in early March and I only have a few designs currently, but if you'd like to check those out, the links are in the description and on the channel page. The image of my teal goldfish yarn is one of the designs I do have for sale. When I'm a bit of a bigger channel with a larger audience, I may start a coffee account, but I don't know if I'm there yet. In the meantime, Redbubble is cool because if you like something, you can get something that you like, and I'll likely very much do a happy dance when I see a sale. But with that said, enjoy the rest of the video.